I'm tough, I'm ambitious, and I know exactly what I want. If that makes me a bitch, okay. No matter who you are, no matter what you did, no matter where you've come from, you can always change, become a better version of yourself. To be brave is to love someone unconditionally, without expecting anything in return. To just give. That takes courage, because we don't want to fall on our faces or leave ourselves open to hurt. I laugh at myself. I don't take myself completely seriously. I think that's another quality that people have to hold on to. You have to laugh, especially at yourself. Sick and perverted always appeals to me. A lot of people are afraid to say what they want. That's why they don't get what they want. There's no such thing as the perfect soulmate. If you meet someone and you think they're perfect, you better run as fast as you can in the other direction. 'Cause your soulmate is the person that pushes all your buttons, pisses you off on a regular basis, and makes you face your shit. I stand for freedom of expression, doing what you believe in, and going after your dreams. Sometimes you have to be a bitch to get things done. If your joy is derived from what society thinks of you, you're always going to be disappointed. I am my own experiment. I am my own work of art. I want to be like Gandhi and Martin Luther King and John Lennon, but I want to stay alive. Poor is the man whose pleasure depends on the permission of another. Power is being told you are not loved and not being destroyed by it. I've been popular and unpopular, successful and unsuccessful, loved and loathed, and I know how meaningless it all is. Therefore, I feel free to take whatever risks I want. I always wished that I could find someone as beautiful as you, but in the process I forgot that I was special too. Deep in my heart I'm concealing things that I'm longing to say, scared to confess what I'm feeling, frightened you'll slip away. Only when I'm dancing can I feel this free. Everyone is entitled to my opinion. When I'm hungry, I eat. When I'm thirsty, I drink. When I feel like saying something, I say it. Everyone probably thinks that I'm a raving nymphomaniac, that I have an insatiable sexual appetite, when the truth is I'd rather read a book. I'm tough, I'm ambitious, and I know exactly what I want. If that makes me a bitch, okay. Power without guilt, love without doubt. Is not easy having a good marriage, but I don't want easy. Easy doesn't make you grow. Easy doesn't make you think. I thank God every day that I am married to a man who makes me think. That's my definition of true love. Don't just stand there, let's get to it. Strike a pose, there's nothing to it. I always thought I should be treated like a star. Better to live 1 year as a tiger than 100 as sheep. We learn our lessons. We get hurt. We want revenge. Then we realize that actually, happiness and forgiving people is the best revenge. TGTBT, Too good to be true. Only love can last. If it's bitter at the start, then it's sweeter in the end. Family is everything. Family comes first. It's not what I expected it to be, but nothing ever is. Beauty is where you find it. If I'm smart, then I run away, but I'm not, so I guess I'll stay. We all fall to the floor at some point. It's how you pick yourself up that's the real challenge, isn't it? I am because we are. We all bleed the same color. We all want to love and be loved. I'm tough, I'm ambitious, and I know exactly what I want. If that makes me a bitch, okay. We all need to treat each other with human dignity and respect. I won't be happy until I'm famous like God.